Hi guys, good morning. So it's our third day here in Toronto guys. So for today's video ay pupunta kami sa Niagara Falls. But bago ang lahat guys, ipapakilala ko muna sa inyo itong mga kasamahan kong mga magaganda. Hi guys, it's our fourth day today. 3? No. So it's our 3 day here in Toronto. So now we're going to saan tayo pupunta?
Niagara!
Kung saan tayo dalihin ng ating mga paa.
Yes! Saan tayo pupunta?
Niagara Falls! Let's go! Yeah, we're going to Niagara and we're gonna slay the falls.
Yes! Let's go guys! Ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Ako na, sabi niyo.
Hoy, umuulan.
Pwede yan!
Wala kang suot ko. Pagmulanan.
Sana all. Yes.
Today ay raining guys, so we'll try to enjoy this day, even though it's raining. Let's go! Dali naman ako dyan, ha? Teka muna.
Hey guys, so ayun na nga, papunta na kami ngayon sa Niagara Falls. And tignan mo naman yung driver ko, napakaganda. Niagara Falls is 2 hours from Toronto. So papunta na kami dun at makikita nyo yung mga kasama namin. Nauna na sila dun. Sumakay na sila dun sa mga cruise. Hindi na namin alam, magkakantahan na lang kami. So guys, after 500 hours of driving, charot. So nakarating na nga kami dito, pero kakain muna kami bago kami mag-explore at maglibot-libot dito sa Niagara Falls.
Sandwich by Madam Char. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this 8 over 10.
Rate ko 10 over 10. Siyempre, gawa.
Siguro kung...
To have fun because we have been through shit, ups and downs.
Ayan mo sila.
Ayan.
Masyado malamig dito ba? Ha? Na?
Oh, did you guys do the ride already?
No, we're
Okay,
going.
you want to go in right now? Yeah.
So, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yun. It's ready?
Yes, sir.
Tara, samahan nyo kami mag-collect ng sticker.
He's the closest
my.
to the force of the creation. Oh, for sure. I'll gather me. Wouldn't you be?
Whatever it is, it's gonna need our help if it's that kind of hot Noah. Yeah. I need Earth.
Bakit sumayaw ka na dyan?
Carving our way upstream.
Welcome aboard our transporter. It'll take us to our flight launch area. You all ready? Here we go. Now you might ask, why are we going down rather than up? I did too. I learned that over a century ago, engineers carved a maze of underground tunnels to channel the fall's immense force to power hydroelectric generators. You're now reaching a depth at the base of the falls. From here, many of those early tunnels release their water back into the river. But curiosity and the spirit of exploration led to going even deeper. what was discovered was a geological wonder. An enormous cavern with a subterranean river flowing right through it. And work began to harness this hidden
Yung bakal din naman kahinga.
Hindi na nakikita.
1885 no.
85 daw. Hindi na tayo magbayad ng ano, wag na tayo niyan, tapos na tayo niyan.
Look at that, guys. So amazing.
Pinaliguan po kami kasi walang ligo mga tao dito.
Babasahin na naman tayo!
Uy, pinawatak na naman tayo. Uy, di mo check na iwan sa farm.
Grabe, basahan din ako, ha.
Basa na ako ha. Already took my shower, girl.
Look at that, guys.
Let's go, follow that car. Go, go, go.
Yan, meron tayong ibababa.
Hoy, bakit wag dito mapabulong sa gilid pa sa likod?
Agad kala ko watching lang.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's 10/10.
5 of them?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Yeah, not a problem. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that.
Yeah, really.